How to create quiz videos for YouTube with timer and earn money on YouTube by quiz video. Now, for this tutorial, you can go ahead and use any platforms right there that you can use for free. But on this video tutorial, I'm going to be using Canva for us to be able to create a quiz video for YouTube with timer. And once you're here, all you have to do is create a design. Now, since this is for video, then choose on any video preference you want. So choose on video. This is actually the general video that I have used, which is actually good for YouTube videos. Now, once you're here, um, let's add page. So we'll need at least 2 page for this one since we will only be using one question just for the sake of this tutorial. And the first thing that you will do is, of course, to have an intro for your quiz. So let's go to elements and go to um, type in intro. You can also use your YouTube channel's intro, or you can use any existing intro videos that this template has. So let's try to use this one. Now, if you upload your own video, just post it right here on your current page, right click on it, and then go to set video as background. Now, next thing that you need to do is you can cut off between these videos so that you can show or align a specific timing for the following questions. Now, once you're here, just simply review it first if you're good with this. Okay, so let's add text. Now, below elements, go to text and click on add heading. Now, on this portion right here, you can add any specific text, maybe for your YouTube channel name, or for this tutorial, let's just add this. It's quiz time. You can change the font. Let's try to change the font here. Maybe this one, or let's try to make it simple. Okay. All right, this one. So resize it, but clicking and tracking in any of those edges right there. So by here, let's resize the text, and then let's change the font, or let's change the color. I'm good with this font right here. So maybe white, blue, or red. So I'm good with red there, and go back to the review. So if you click on your current font, you can also add animation by clicking animate right side of effects. So let's try the general animations right here. Right now, right click on your font and click on show element timing. Now this is where you can place a specific part of the video where your text you would like to show. Now let's extend the video a little bit more and adjust the text. Okay, let's reduce it a little bit. Right, so I'm good with this. So go back or go to your second or next page. Now this is gonna be the portion of our question right here. So to add text, just go to the text tab and go to add a subheading or add a heading. So my question right here is gonna be, what is the capital of France? Right there. So let's reposition it. And for the following answers, or the answers options, is going to be a subheading. So click on add subheading. So since I have 4 choices, so let's add 4 subheading. So 1, 2, right here, 3, and 4. Okay, so option 1 or choices 1, copy and paste it. Option 2, option 3, and then option 4. Right, there you go. So right here, since we already added our questionnaire, now you can go ahead and change the main questions animation or font. So let's try to change the animation. Okay, let's choose on shift, and then let's choose on the animations of each of the options right there for the answer. Now I'm good with this. Now the next thing that you can do is to extend the questionnaires page. Then you can also extend the font duration. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, so since my questionnaire is already set up, now this time we'll add a timer. So go to elements above the text icon and just type in timer. Now I have already checked on all of these existing templates for timer with Canva, and I can see that all of this timer right here is requiring us to have a premium account. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be just using a specific timer right here that has a watermark in it. But if you would like to use your own personal timer, then you can just simply go to uploads and then upload your timer file and use it here. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to be using the temporary timer here. So let's adjust it. Okay, and let's see. Now once your timer is finished, just extend the text. Now in this part right here, we can go ahead and change the color of the correct answer. Let's extend it. Now from here, we can go ahead and split this. You click on a current page, right click, and split page. Now this portion right here, just simply edit the answer. So since the answer is Paris, let's edit the option C and change the color to any color you want. As for me, for the correct answer, that's going to be green. And let's review it. Alright, so there you go. So let's go ahead and review it. Alright, so that's how we can create a quiz videos for YouTube with timer. And for you to be able to earn money on YouTube by this quiz video, all you have to do and make sure is you have followed all the necessary rules and regulations for YouTube so that your specific video will be monetized. And you'll have also to keep in mind that your account or channel should be monetized first before you can earn money with this kind of quiz video. So that's it. That's how you create quiz videos for YouTube with timer.